Hi and hello there, Virgo. Welcome new subscribers. My name is Yan, returning Istam buyers. Thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang love and support para sa akin. At kung di niyo pa alam, may patang other channel, link down below sa ating description box. If interested, just click lamang yung link para mapunta kayo dun. At araw-araw nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs. There, at yun nga ng ating concept na nagagawin for 3 days. We're gonna unlock your past life. Alam naman natin na ang past life ay malaki ang connection or konektado talaga sa ating lifetime period now or ngayon. Basta just take only what resonates, okay? Wala tayong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT. Everybody welcome, okay? And cross-watchers ni Virgo, welcome ka rin, okay? At kung may Virgo placement sa natal/birth chart, welcome din kayo. So let's go ahead and let's thank first Archangel Michael and Angel Guides. Maraming salamat po Archangel Michael, Angel Guides para sa patuloy ninyo na pagbibigay ng mensahe at presensya ninyo sa reading ni Virgo. Thank you so much. Can we get energies? We're gonna get this, okay? For Virgo's past life, can you please show me any details, informations related sa kanilang past life, please? Who is Virgo way back then sa kanilang past life? Can you please show me Virgo? Okay, so let's go ahead and check these messages here. Virgo. So guys, unahin naman nating buksan ito na ating nakuha. We have here the 7 of Wands. We also have here for you guys the King of Swords. We also have here this King of Coins. Nandito din ang presence ng Queen of Cups. Kita ba? Okay. We also have here this Four of Cups, Five of Swords. Okay. Yung inayos natin, tas ginulo din natin. Ano ba yun, Miss yan? Masyadong smooth ang atin rito, no? Na cards. So, bottom of the deck, we have the Three of Swords, Two of Coins, and the Two of Wands. Partnership it is. Okay, so Virgo, sa nakikita ko dito, no, it looks like you are someone here, no, na you have this role, you are like a messenger. That's what I'm picking up, no? So, binigyan ka dito ng role ni Universe, no? So, you are not a human being, okay? But kung ihahalin tulad ko ito sa isang human being, no, yung profession mo way back then is you are like a postman, no? Or someone who brings letters, news, no? And even telegrams, parang ganong klase ng energy, no? You are a messenger, no? You appear into human lives, no? To bring message to them. Okay, so I do see that this is you. Okay, you could be someone here who is like a messenger way back then, no? Para maiparating, no? Yeah, you're like, I'm seeing someone here, no, who's like holding that megaphone. Alam niyo yung pang barangay? Ganong klase ng energy, no? So, I do see that this is you. Okay? Before, okay, a person will undergo or dadaan bago dumaan ang isang person sa isang klase, no, ng situation, binibigyan mo na sila rito ng advance warning or advice, okay? It looks like you are appearing into the dreams of people, okay? You are someone like, yeah, like let's say you could be an angel, okay, but your main purpose is you're just carrying messages. That's it. Okay, you are someone here who holds this very important role. Okay, so you are not someone here, no, na may ibang role kasi yung angel medyo malawak yung role, 'di ba? Pero you You are someone here who appears in their dreams, telling them in advance that this is what's gonna happen sa'yo. So, you must prepare. Yeah, I do see, okay, that this is you. This snowy season or winter season feels this is the cold or the problem or the challenges or the tests that the human being will undergone, no? So, I do pick up that kung sino man yung mga energies na mag-resonate dito, no, you are someone here na nagsasabi, nagpapaalala na agad-agad, no? Yeah, you're telling them the details ng kanilang pagdadaanan, no, in their dreams, no, para sila ay makapag-prepare. So, definitely, parang nagiging katuwang kanila, like partnership is present dito, like what I've said, because you are helping them to prepare for something na paparating pa lang. You're getting my point, sweetheart, no? So, you have this kind of energy that importante yan kasi okay, nakakapaghanda na sila bago pa mangyari ang isang klase ng sitwasyon or problem, no? And it is because of your help, Virgo. And I do see that you're very dedicated, Five of Swords energy, with this role, with this profession or occupation na binigay sa'yo rito ni Universe because you are someone who gives light into these people's lives, no? Three of Swords energy, you're carrying the light sa kanila ritong sitwasyon. Because, di ba, kapag alam na yung mangyayari, okay, mas napaghahandaan ito bago pa ito mangyari. Tama, no? And it looks like people right in here are very grateful, thankful sa'yo, Virgo, because you are a messenger, no, na binibigyan sila rito ng babala or paalala, no? So, dahil dyan, nakakapaghanda sila, naiiwasan nila mga bagay na ito, or kung hindi man nila yes, no, maiwasan, ito ay kanila ritong nalalampasan ng mas madali at mas mabilis. Okay? Because they will have time to prepare. Yan. So I do see that your life right now, no, you are someone here who still hold in you, no, because you are the same clay, you are the same soul, no, because this is your past life. So it looks like, no, it is being showed here that up until now, you are someone who's very strict. I do see a very outspoken individual. Everything that you want to say, you're gonna say it directly. And you are someone here no, na very mabilis kumilos because you are not someone here na gustong naabutan ng mga deadline. Ayaw mo yung nape-pressure kayo. So that's what I'm seeing from you, Virgo. And also, I do see that you are someone who wants to help, okay? Especially okay, when your loved ones are involved. So I do see that this is you, no? Ikaw ito na magaling ka magbigay ng mga advice at mga tips sa iyong mga friends, no? Sa kanilang mga dinideal na mga problems, okay? And I also do see that this is you, no? Hindi nga lang showy, pero you are very kind-hearted, no? You have this very gentle heart, Virgo. At nagpapakita rin dito 'no, na yung iba sa inyo, why? I'm seeing na yung iba tinuturing ninyo 'no, na malas kayo when it comes to love 'no, picking up that, I don't know. But if love is your concern, I do see someone here coming into your life. Others already kasama mo na siya ngayon, nagkakausap na kayo. You look like best friends here. That's what I'm picking up, Two of Wands energy. This is a 3 and this is 3. I'm seeing 3s right in here. So definitely, okay, kung sino man yan, nakakonect mo na ngayon, that is already the person who will still be right beside you up until the end of time. So I do see that this person here will support you in everything that you do. And medyo sharp kayo pag nagsalita, no, pero tanggap niya. Yung iba, hindi naman as in sharp talaga, no, pero diretsa, no, hindi yung paligoy-ligoy, wala ng gano'n, 'no. So, may energy rin dito, 'no, na kayo 'pag pagdating sa money ngayon, I do see that this is you, 'no. You could be someone na mas gusto niyo na magnegosyo na lang kaysa yung mangamuhan sa iba or magtrabaho sa isang company or whatsoever 'no, parang gusto niyo yung magnegosyo na lang, may gano'ng klase ng energy. And kung sino man 'to 'no, ng mga energies na na-pick up ko 'no, you are still holding this kind of energy, that compassion, that benevolency 'no, in you na nakikita natin dito na yan din yung tinataglay mo dati. And nakikita ko rin dito that kapagka may ginusto ka talagang bagay, talagang you pour yourself to it 'no. So, parang ikaw 'to na kunwari, super aga niyan 'no, naku magigising ka pa ng mas maaga diyan kasi very dedicated ka sa work mo, mahal mo talaga yung work mo or mahal mo yung ginagawa mo, okey? Kaya ikaw ito 'no, that you also value time, okey? You are not late, you are someone here 'no, who pour not just your efforts but also love dito in everything that you do, 'yan. And also, hindi kayo malas sa love, 'yan 'no. Meron kasi dito mga nagsasabi 'no, medyo marami kayo, there's a big portion 'no, na sinasabi ninyo na puro lang ako work miss 'yan, love life naman, pero ba't gano'n malas ata ako sa love life, you know. Hindi kayo malas sa love life, sunset is right here. It's just that, okey, maaaring meron lang konting delay sa inyong love life, but this person is coming in, look at that. Okey. Puwedeng iba sa inyo nasa life niyo na nga siya with the two of wands right in here 'no, okey, or yung iba napapansin na nila kayo, ayan, tignan mo yung tingin. Yung pagtinginan niya sa'yo, ayan, So, see, Virgo, I do see that this is you because you carried your role 'no, very seriously, you're very dedicated 'no, to help other people because of your role na binigay ni universe sa'yo way back then, you're like a messenger. Okay, just like this big bird 'no, nakikita natin dito that you are someone here na, kahit na ano pang panahon noon, kahit pa may mga bagay at circumstances 'no, na nangyayari sa kapaligiran, okay, talagang tuloy at tuloy 'no, na naka-schedule na. Maybe you are also someone here na, very someone who holds yung 'pag sinabi na, "O sige tuloy tayo diyan, sige pupunta ako diyan." Talagang mangyayari pupunta ka talaga dun. "O sige tuloy tayo." O sige talagang tuloy talaga kayo. So yung nakikita ko dito parang 'pag sinabi mo mangyayari talaga, ayan. Okay. So yeah, Virgo, these are all the messages. Maraming salamat sa oras mo. Again, I'm Yuriana, only for the girls and Yana Duna for the boys. Sarang love and light. Annyeong.